Yeah. So BTC one day. So BTC USD. That's BTC daily. This one day bull trap is playing out right now, and on one day, let me check on like a
on
12
all time
hours.
stick.
Yeah, wait. Let me check 8 hours. This is 12 hours, right? Come on, why it's not clicking there? Yeah. Okay, so it was forming a crab pattern, before it was, I said crab is bearish. And when it hits the D wave, like A, B, C, D, and it crashes after that. And then it goes up, formed a like bull trap, and now it's dropping. You see this momentum in there, like buyers are losing momentum. So price is going down right now. And if we see 8 hours, maybe we'll have a clear picture. And it is forming bear trap. So that's why I'm saying it's too late to enter right now. And if it breaks 41, then we will enter. Not now, guys. Okay. If it breaks 41, so just wait for now. In the 4 hours, same. And 1 hour. And here is the money between these red line. Okay. Look at the double top signal on 1 hour. Double top. Boom, crash here. Double top, crash. Let's move to some other coins. Look, it just printed the star on 1 hour. Like this is a support zone, which I said yesterday. It is a support. Uh, uh, yeah. So I was waiting for this Kyber Bitcoin. This is a Kyber Bitcoin chart. Oh, I supposed to KNC USDT, not like BTC. Here, Kyber Tether. So let me check smaller time frames if we can see something useful. 45, 20. Oh, fake out here. Show zigzag. Yeah, so it was a fake out, and it's forming some sort of bull trap. Let me check. Let me draw this pattern correctly on my own, and if we can see if it can give us the profit. So here it is like seems like it's a retesting. The top line is okay. So bottom line I corrected it with my own drawing. You see this now. So it dropped down, go back up to retest, and soon it will drop again, I think. Yes. So can see you think it will drop. So on smaller time frame, we should prepare for shorting this one. Once this thing turned red, then we can prepare for short KNC. Just wait for like a confirmation. So what I'm waiting for is, look, so we have you know wave becoming like smaller and smaller, so wait for something like this. So when this green wave will go up, right, and then it will turn red from here, okay, and then we will wait for the like bearish divergence, so we will enter short. Okay, so something like this. Let me turn it to green. So if it turn green, so here it will be like bearish divergence. So here is will be the bearish divergence. Okay, then we can short. So just wait for this, something like this, either on 15, 20, or some kind of time frame like that. So we can short, and the take profit must be somewhere between $2.09 or 2.1. So I'm going to mark this as TP1 2.01. Okay, so here is the TP1. You can exit like 50% for here, and or you can you can close your position. And if you see the signs of reversal, if this wave turn green from the bottom, okay, then you can just exit fully. So I suggest short from here after the rejection or after this bearish divergence when Kyber turned red, can see, and take profit from 2.1. And look, 2.1 is a good support. I can see in the historical data, and with the support resistance indicator is pointing that a lot of support right here and here as well. So that's why it's a good area to take profit from the short. And if this support level breaks, the next support zone must be, I think, at here, at exact 2. Yeah, wait, let me go to higher time frame to check the strong support. So next support zone will be here, like $2 exact, right here. You see, this is a kind of long resistance line, which will act as a support next time here. Lot of like rejections from here and the rejection from the downside. So here is a good second good level to take profit, like exit 100 position. So TP1 here 2.1, TP2 exact 2. That's a 5%. 5%. Wait, here, let me show you how much percent. If we drop from here, we are looking at 6% move or 7% move with the 5x, or 3, 70 to 3, like 20% profit with the 3x leverage and 35 with the 5x. So I suggest to keep the leverage as low as possible. Hold on. Yeah, again. So if I calculate the second entry, then second entry or second TP must be like 4%. So 4% with the 3x is like 12, 12% profit, and with 5x is 20%. So calculate your profits, and here are the two important supports for KNC, Tether, Binance. There is a solid chance it could reverse with one of those level. Why? Because we have some sort of a bullish divergence incoming, and to support the bulls. So it must go up like somewhere from here. When wave turns green, you don't want to keep holding your short. Okay, so you want one of these level, you have to take profit or exit 50 to 70% on the first one with the profit, and you don't want to hold it for long because momentum is going to the bullish side, so the short move won't be much longer. Let's move on to the second coin.
Bro, ICB.
Yeah. ICP, everyday ICP.
Yeah, bro.
like I said yesterday, I sent this triangle to the group. I said trade the breakout, and it's still in the triangle. It reject from the top line that I sent. When I sent this chart, it was exactly at this top line, and it is being rejected now when the wave turned red. So I cannot like wait. Hold on. Yeah, it's forming like a blue bull trap, and depending on the BTC, if it BTC reverse from like here from this triangle, then I must say it will go up soon. So you can enter a small scalp with the long position. So let me uh, open these four charts here side by side. Here, okay. Let me go. So it's Kyber BTC. Let me change this to ICP. Um, ICP tether. So here is the ICP chart, and here is the BTC chart on 4 hour. So 4 hour is looking like this. Let me trend line here on the top, and here on the bottom. So here is the trend line, and we can see the red X, and we can see the rejection, right? And on 1 hour, let's see how it looks on 1 hour. Okay, so this is a BTC 1 hour, this is ICP 1 hour, and let me remove the volume. See right now here, you see this white line that I draw. This is very dim. Let me make it clear. So here is the white line that I draw. This is like descending triangle. Just like I said, here is a descending triangle. You see this. So if it managed to bounce one more time upside, which I think it will, it could bounce upside. And if it bounce upside, and ICP is forming uh, this bull trap, if it bounce upside and we see a little bit upside move higher than 42,400, then we can enter long on ICP, and we can set our TP up to 22, 22, here 22.20, somewhere here, until it changes back to red. Okay, just a small scalp. So the move must be about near about mm, 4%. So 3x leverage with 4, it's like 12% profit. So 4 into 4 is 16. Like you do, your leverage is like 4%. I saw your trades. So it should be like 16% profitable position if this line played out well. And I'm waiting for this wave to turn green. Just check the smaller time frames like 20 minute, and check your signals. If they are aligning together, you can enter long. So let me draw something for you. ICP. So my KNC signal is clear. Okay, and let me draw this one. you know Here, okay, let me draw 20 minutes. I want to check. Yeah, this is some sort of a trend line. It is supposed to retest it first. It is retesting. I don't think it will reverse yet, but depend on BTC. Hmm, hard to say. check 5 minute. Hmm. I don't I don't see any signs of recovery yet because we have a bull trap here. I don't see any signs of recovery, to be honest. It's like this triangle is broken. It's going back up to 2135 to retest or maybe possibly reject from here, and it should drop more. It should drop more. So I don't, these charts are not looking good at all right now. So
Yeah, I
retest,
was
retest.
also thinking the same. It
Yeah.
will
So, the
go
gap is
down
very
more.
close. Yeah, the gap is here, like 41, 300 to 40,900. So gap is there. So I want the gap to close first. So no long positions for now. I'm sorry. Only short position, like I said for KNC. Let me go back to the chart. Come on. Again, go back. So here is a KNC signal. Like I said, just wait for a short. Don't enter long because market is looking bearish. So just this signal is like clear signal for now, and no longs, just shorts. Let's wait for BTC to take a like good decision. So and wait for this gap to close. Oh, so wait for this gap to close so we can take our decision soon. So one signal only for now. KNC. See, that's ascending triangle, right? And this triangle is broken downside, and it formed like a double top here. M pattern, just like I show in my video tutorial to all of you. So here it's like here. Oh, wait, it's in my drawing. So here you see this double top. It will look like M, and here is the neckline, and it's broken to the downside as we can see in the BTC. Formed M, and here is the neckline broken downside to test the here is the leg, the left leg, and here is the right leg. It's this pattern is complete, right?
Bro, can you draw Fibonacci from upper side?
Which one? Ichimoku?
Fibonacci
Fib? Where?
from this BTC double top.
Oh, okay. Okay, I draw it from here. You can enable the fib tool from here. So fib targets are enabled already. So here it is the fib level. Fib. So these are the fib reversal zone, the new labels that you see. So it could go up to 42, 250, and continue dropping. Or sorry, here 42 600 to retest and continue dropping. Could be.
Yeah, 0.382 ratio.
Yeah. So from here to here, the last drop. Yeah. So the fib levels are here on the top. You can just enable those colorful labels. You will know if it's a reversal or no. So you don't need to like draw anything else. Everything here is in your screen. So where is our new friend? I think he he closed the call. The friend of Jen. Hello, Rich. Where are your diamonds now? Have you sold them?
Hello, babes. I was smuggling.
Oh,
Normally I'm
smoking.
smuggling goodies, but today I was smuggling diamonds. Man, they're everywhere, and they're playing out perfectly, which is great.
You are. There
I
was a
gave him a
guy.
new name today.
I forgot his name. It's like a diamond. No, what was his name? It was. I removed him from my group. I forgot his name. Uh, you know.
Is that my fate coming?
No, wait. Uh, there was a guy. He always was looking for diamonds. Have you seen any diamond in the pattern? So blood
Oh,
diamond. He was talking about blood diamond. I forgot his name. I removed him. He was so
oh,
annoying.
coin. It must be him.
Yeah, coin collector,
Yeah,
right?
that's the
He
dude.
always like
Yeah.
looking for diamonds in the group.
Oh my God, he's still the same. He's funny, man. That's literally
Same.
all he does. He's got like 1,000 alerts or something for diamonds.
Yeah. So when I see you're talking about diamonds, I always
I
remember of
think that guy.
I remember him.
Yeah,
Today
he's
I
still
gave
around.
him a new name, Diamond King,
He's reacting.
King of
Yeah.
Diamond.
King of Diamonds. Yeah, I like that one. Gonna change it. Put that in my name. But yeah, it's playing out is exactly as predicted. Oh, did you see? Yeah, you saw what Carl did, right? He exposed
Yeah,
himself.
I sent something similar to the group like you sent, and
Hmm.
playing out. I was talking about like double top hit 42 reversal. I said it to go up, hit like 45, dropping again
Yep,
back to here.
perfect.
So everything like aligning perfect. So I think since like 7 8 days, like
Hmm.
my 95 of my signals, like 95% signals are like accurate as hell, and with the help
Mate,
of
yeah,
these automatic ta and
yeah.
95%.
Honestly, I've never met anybody who knows the markets like you. You bang out absolute precision all the time.
Yeah. I hope I these patterns are just stuck in my brain. It's like I see the patterns and they just stuck in my brain. So sometimes
Hmm.
I'm dreaming of drawing the patterns.
Oh yeah. Got to dream about the charts. You haven't got to
Yeah,
give that sleep.
in my charts I see like different patterns in my dream. I'm drawing on my computer screen. My dreams are same.
It's like you can't wait to wake up and get back on the charts. I know totally what you mean.
Yeah.
It's an addiction, isn't it? It just completely takes over your whole life. This thing
Yes.
could
So
be worse things to be doing though. Don't forget.
it's good addiction in my opinion.
Hmm.
uh this ICP is on 20 minutes. It's like going to retest this, like it's forming higher high. This is the first lower high. Hit this double bottom, sort of double bottom, going up to retest this trend line and drop back down. I'm just waiting for BTC to catch up this, like with ICP. So BTC
Okay,
also going to retest like 40 to 6 700 if possible. Then it will just close the gap there that I was talking about like a week ago about the CME gap. So I believe it will fill first before it goes up. So
okay.
gap is very close.
So
We're
what
here, just small
what
area.
will be what will be downside target for ICB?
ICP, yeah.
I mostly do trade on ICPP and in BTC.
Yeah. I also trade ICP a lot.
What's that target there? 20? No, what was it? 19 something.
Here is the target, bro. 19.36 lower
Okay,
target.
nice. And did you say we should enter
That will be
KNC
huge
now? Because it
money.
looks like it's going down a bit.
Huh?
Sorry, Annie was speaking.
Yeah.
I'm saying that will be huge profit if we'll hit 19 by 36 around.
Yeah, 19.36. Just pay attention to those smaller time frames. You don't want to be catch up off guard by the manipulation, price manipulation, but we can smell the manipulations from mile away from these like orange and blues.
Hmm.
I don't
So
think I have seen anyone using armor saying that I got off guard by the price manipulation just because like 10-20% upside moves all of a sudden, because that I see never happen since since we have this automatic TA. No, no traps at all. We don't get caught up on the traps.
does it actually? How does it work? Does it measure the volume or something?
Yeah, it measures the volume, like the amount of the longs and shorts. If it even though the move is like showing like if it's going upside, and sometimes we see the green and we see the buy signal, and we have to filter those buy signals, buy and sell signals, right? So example, how do you know this buy signal is profitable, right? You have to check the volume. Okay, look at the volume. So volume is low. So why it will give you the clear green line which is bullish? Why? Because volume is
Right.
low. When volume is low, it will print orange.
Ah, okay.
Right?
All right. So basically, it's filtering out all the market maker pumps.
Yeah, exactly.
I
So when
see. I
it
see.
shows this green line, then you see massive pumps, and when you see this red line, massive dumps. So that's just the calculations, that how
Mhm.
much buyers are there, how much sellers are there, how many orders are there in the exchanges. So this is the Coinbase chart. In Coinbase, how many sellers are there? If sellers are too much, you will see these massive volume candles right here, and this line will be clear. This line will show the sellers are in control, and we print the red X, and we will we short from top to bottom.
Have you noticed everything goes in threes quite often? Like there'll be three pumps. I think it's just to lure people in. They'll pump it once, pump it twice, and then on the third one, people are like, "Oh shit, that's the actual direction the price is going in. We're going along," and then they drop the price down and wreck everybody. But everything seems to come in threes. If you
Yes,
notice
I
it.
know what you mean.
Yeah. Look,
If
even
you,
there on the way up, you can see the one, two, three bumps, and then they drop the price.
yeah, exactly. I'm seeing that this is like a descending uh, triangle. So majority of the time it breaks downside. So I'm
Mhm.
waiting for something like this. So imagine, I have a plan right now. See, so if this triangle breaks downside and close the gap, and it will go upside to test this triangle line, this previous support, and now as a resistance, it will test and drop down. So something like this I'm watching on my chart. So that's why I draw these two red lines. So here is a gap at 41,000, right? So
Mhm.
imagine, and here is a support, the latest support that I draw, which is keep rejecting the price again and again. So here is a support. Just here. Yeah. So let's make this line as a blue and thicker, right? So when price comes down to close the gap, right, and it will move up to retest, right, and then drop down up to the second target, which is 39,600, the second support, which is looking like this exactly. So gap is playing the huge role to form this, to making this pattern complete.
Mhm. Let's see.
Hey, Griff, just a moment. You're showing in your indicator the beer trap, but when I was watching in my automatic TA, it doesn't show me a beer or bull trap. I see only
you,
the difficult.
you need to enable this one to show zigzag. then it will show you these colors over here.
Enable zigzag.
Yeah,
Okay, let me check.
automatic TA.
Here we go.
So here, just according to this,
Yeah.
the historical pattern, so gap must close and BTC price must go up to retest to complete this pattern, and we need to keep checking this higher and lower time frames for the next entries.
Griff,
If
I have
even if you look at this inverse head and shoulder, which is right here, even if you look like this, if you see this pattern, look. So even if we close the gap and hit my target, so the right shoulder will still be clear, like like the previous one, because supports are same, right, on left shoulder and right shoulder, exactly on my target, right? And the head is also clear. Even if we drop down, there is a still a possibility that price will go to above direction. If it reverse, even if it reverse from this one area here, then we will see some sort of new highs. So it is still forming the right shoulder inverse. So I think we should wait for now and see what happens. So these targets are perfectly aligned with my calculations.
Today we got
nice.
red cross on 1-day BTC chart, bro.
Let me check.
Before I forget as well, would you mind having a look at mana when you've finished, please? It's been
Yeah.
pumping.
Where is the red cross? I don't see any red cross on 1 day. Which chart are you using? I'm using Coinbase.
Binance.
Maybe there is on Binance. Let me check.
Binance USDT perpetual.
Crypto. This one.
USDT.
Just ET. Yeah, this one. So it has a red X. Where? I don't see any red X on 1 day. This is Binance USDT Binance. Maybe I'm not using perpetual, but let me check. Bitcoin. Yeah, this one here. Yeah, it has there, but you see this last EMA of the ribbon. This last EMA sometimes also act as a support. This my last EMA also act as a support. So if it reverse from there, it well and good. If it does not, then we are going lower, near about like 89,600, like right at this previous low. So right here, maybe it could play out. It depends if if price stays like high after the gap is closed. So gap is this gap is a real deal. Need to remove these drawings. Yeah. Hello, Chicken G. Paranata, hello. Hello, Daniel.
Griff, there's a camel on mana, 90 minutes.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Maranatha, you are learning a lot. I see your TA. You understand this now. You're becoming very good at this.
Yeah, so I will say to you, yeah, you are right. With shoulder and we go up. In 30-minute time frame, you can check Bitcoin.
Yeah, wait. I check. First of all, I check mana.
Okay.
Mana. This is mana 1 hour. Sort of broadening wedge 4 hours. Trap. It's showing a trap on 4 hour. 2 hours. It's going sideways. Hard to say. Yeah, but on higher time frames, they are showing trap and forming lower low on the scalper.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Maybe it might go up to resistance up there, the red line, and then come back down.
Wait, no. So if it crossed this resistance, then even if it crossed this resistance, maybe it would be a fake out because of this orange line. Even if it crossed, but the high chance of this one to reject from here and goes back down up to 3.18. And if it does not hold this one, then it will go back down to, oh wait, it will go here, 3.1 exact.
Yeah, that's like kind of a triple top, isn't it? And it did that pattern before.
Yeah.
So between the two, so you got the three on the left and then three on the right, and then between them you got this massive double top.
Yeah, and here is the target. If it reject from here, TP1 is here, like 3.19, and second TP is 3.1.
Looks juicy. Thanks.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Okay.
Hey Griffith, good morning, afternoon, evening. I have a huge bag of Decentraland mana. Would this be a good time to kind of sell a little bit of it, or not sure yet?
I would say are you using armor? Just first of all, I want to know.
Of course I'm using armor, man. Of course I am. The thing is, I have a stupid 8 to 5 job in the U.S. and I'm not able to see the charts all the time. So that is the problem. In the afternoons, I only get like maybe 2 hours at most to watch it. That's why I'm asking you right now. I'm driving, by the way.
Yeah. I am going to tell you exactly what I'm seeing. Hold on. Just hold on.
Well, thank you so much, big boy.
Yep.
I was watching that picture, your pictures you posted on the group, man. Hey, congratulations! You're getting massive, man.
Yeah, our group is growing tremendously. So, my friend, if you want to long on mana, or if you want to hold on spot, then there is something very important information there. So, Armor already posting, making us aware from this top line. Hold on 1 hour. This top line, which I got the idea from the Armor. Look here, I draw the same line, but from way past. Okay, so if it something like crosses above like 3.4, then I suggest you can hold. Okay, hold, and it will go up higher. But if it reject from this area right here, and if it crosses 3.18, I suggest sell it. If it crosses 3.18, sell it. Just hold on for now. So set alert at 3.18.
3.18. If it goes above it, sell, you said?
3.1. Yeah, 3.18. If it drops below that, then sell it.
Gotcha. If it drops below 3.18. Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you, my good-looking Indian man.
Yeah. Okay. And you also need to catch up with the BTC chart. If the BTC is like reverse from closing the gap, then we should buy more mana and wait for this trend line to break. This trend line must break. if you want to long it for double top, and the double top here, double top will take us to, let's say not double top, let's say 5.4. So the profit you are looking for, if it this white line breaks, then you can have 57% upside move. So you can take like 50%
Oh,
profit,
Yeah, but
just like,
oh
Chris,
my God, it's like so much.
yeah.
just have a look. Mana is also maybe when he rejects it, the trend line is forming an M pattern right there.
Mhm.
Yeah, I know.
These two
M
target
pattern.
zones,
Yeah, this very good. You detected it very good.
yeah.
Hold on. Yeah, yeah, that looks legit. So here, this forming M
Yeah,
right here, something like this. Boom.
yes. That's what I
Dead
see
end.
in the
Yeah,
longer time.
yeah. That's a higher time frame. Like on 6 hours, we can detect.
Hey, so everything still kind of looks bearish, right? Everything kind of points towards going still down a little bit further before going back up.
Yes, yes, yes. So we are not safe until BTC reject from 39,600. So we are not safe. So like this. So we are in inverse head and shoulders. Let me draw it like here. So one, right, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So right shoulder is not completed yet. So don't wait for upside move anytime soon. Let it complete. Let it drop a little and reject from 39.40 somewhere from there. So we can expect the higher move. See, you see this older resistance, like it stayed there in that area for a long time, right? And if don't be afraid right now, and don't be shocked if it comes to down to these levels once again. So you see this history, like you can take example from historical charts, a lot of rejections from there, lot of rejection from the top, from the bottom, from the top, from the bottom, from the from the top, from the bottom. So if it comes down to this level once again, then pray to the god, if hold like 39,600.
Yeah.
So we
I'm going
can,
to be like, yes. I'm going to be like, yes, kitty, you do want a donut.
yeah. So
Had to be done a little chance.
Crazy
yeah.
boy. So what I was thinking was, like, if you wanted to
Yeah,
cause the most,
I'm waiting for plan B to copy my chart and post in their
he's going to do that
Twitter
100%.
again. So
That's where he gets his
plan B
ideas from.
always. I think they are following me on Trading View. No, I
Must
see
be.
them copying my charts many times, and I post them before they realize that something is going on.
Mate, they must do. But what I was thinking was, if you were a market maker and you wanted to cause the most pain, I mean, I would wait until everybody's got their long positions in and then drop it. Swift, sharp, painful drop all the way. Take out the CME gap, maybe a bit lower as well, and then pump it really quickly. What do you reckon?
Don't beat.
Let me check a Fear and Greed index. It's been a long time I haven't seen the Fear and Greed. It's a neutral. It's a neutral. They are just taking decision. That people are confused and in disbelief whether they should long or short.
Mhm.
We need at least go back to fair once again if it drops to like 39. So we can expect a higher move soon.
Mhm.
And I see in the YouTube many people are talking about this older 2018 pattern playing once again like this. Let me check here.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
looks
here.
like the exact same thing.
Yeah. So they are saying like we are here once again. So it was a similar thing, like left shoulder head and the right shoulder, and it never played out. Instead, it boom, it crashed. to the downside. And then once again, oh, now it's the time to long. People were talking about 100,000 back then, and then boom, and then another disbelief, and just BTC just stayed silent. It went back to the coma, and then
They
when it
all
went up, it was in state of shock and just dropped all time low, like not all time low, but like new lows of 2018.
You know what? They must have liquidated billions of dollars worth of longs in that drop because everybody must have thought, all right, it's consolidating, it's going to go up any second, and then
No,
boom.
no, that was this move was not like because of some sort of pattern. This is not a pattern at all, you know. And this was the ETF. This was Bitcoin ETF launch.
Yeah, but even that, I mean, look, if you're making billions of dollars from these kinds of situations, then you can time the news to basically all of it is complete manipulation. You see the hype news, you see the FUD news, and it all works together. It's when they've got the most longs and they've got the most short positions to liquidate. Boom! Out comes a news article, and fucking all hell breaks loose. It's all coordinated. It's all coordinated together. The whole system is complete utter fraud.
Yeah, so like when I was seeing this in 2018 similar pattern, and then I saw something like this, and I posted in my trading view that this shit is going to dump right here. Wait, hold on. So it was like a miniature version of the 2018 like manipulation, or you can say whatever, bear market. It was like miniature version, like double top, and then dead cat bounce, and then something like remaining still for a while, and then drop. So it's like a miniature version of that.
Mm-hmm.
And here is a Corona dump that was totally like planned to crash the market and suck the billions out of the market and liquidate people.
They did.
And if you wait for like this high, then I before you guys joined the call, when I was talking to 2-3 guys in the group, I was saying don't wait for like a bullish market once again. Just play, go with the flow. If market is red, then become a bear. If market is green, then become a bull. So we can long or short based on what is in front of us. Don't wait for all time high or all time low.
Mm-hmm.
Just scalp.
That's it. The situation is changing day by day, so just take it on the smaller time frames and take what you can.
Yeah.
It all adds up.
So I've been scalping. I did nine trades since 7 days. I did 9 trades, and I lost 1 trade just because of the greed, and won 8 trades straight. And in some trades, in last 3 trades, my profit was like 4%, 5%, 6%, which was that's why I was not posting in my group. I see a lot of manipulation, and all of the sudden, like like something like this. Example, if I'm if I was shorting doggy, and if I see it on like a lower time frame, if I short, right? If I short from here, then I see like this thing building up, or if I long doggy, then I see this is a trap, then I exit with a 5% profit, then it crash. So I see the traps, then I exit with a little bit profit. But yesterday I made like 14, I think 15%. I posted that profit screenshot with a 10x. And I think I shorted some token. I just forgot which token I shorted. The screenshot is there.
You have to take it. Every time you got green, just forget about the long moves. Just take what you can. Because yesterday, right, I had a beautiful entry in BNB and beautiful entry in Sol. I was 60% up in Sol, right? I blinked, and it took me back out at entry. And I looked at it, and it charged me a bunch of fees as well because it'd been open for a little while. So I lost that 60% because I didn't take it because I was being greedy. So yeah, anything you can, just grab it.
Yeah, same. I was like, I exited my two trades, one at 4.5% profit, second one is like 5.5, and there is just one trade with the 14%. But if I look at clear, like it's still 23% profit in 2 days.
Nice. And I'm sure you're compounding it as well.
Yeah,
You take the
yeah,
4% and you make 5% on the 4% as those extra. Just keep doing that.
yes, sir.
It's all good.
But bro, Rich, you're 60% in profit and you're not running away.
Dude, mate, and you know what happened? It went up, right? My
Greed,
entry was
I think greed happened.
greed, fucking greed. It was I got in at $103, right? It went down, and then it came shot back up again, tapped me out, and what's Sol at now? I would have made an absolute fortune on that one. It's because I use a stop loss. I never use stop losses, and when I was doing it,
Yeah.
I felt dirty. I felt like I
But
was.
but at least when you're 60% in profit, put your stop loss around to cover your fees and your
You
position.
know what? I should. Yeah, I know. I just put it. I put it entry. I wasn't even focusing. What is it now? 97, but it went down to 96. Okay, my target was 93, and I thought maybe 96 would be as low as it goes, but it's done that today. Anyway, this is just an example. I mean, it happens all the time. BNB did the same thing. BNB took me exactly straight back up to my entry and then dumped again today. So yeah. I made a promise yesterday to myself and to a friend. I said, I'm just gonna, if I go over 10%, I'm just gonna take out half or 75% and let the rest run. Just gonna take bits here, bits there, bits there.
Yeah. Right now, like my last trade was the doggy short trade, right? I barely, I was late from, I opened my PC late. So I entered here and exited here. And it is forming like a bearish divergence on 5 minutes. Maybe it will drop once again. So we can have like 5-6% profit right now. So it's forming this like trap and bearish divergence. So I made like 5.5% here. Maybe I can make one more time.
One more time.
Let me check if
baby.
I was in the trade, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, my trade is like a 3% down, but it's okay. My leverage is 5x. Oh no, it's 2.5% down, and it's coming down. Oh no, it's forming blue line. Shit, bull trap. Okay. Okay.
Meanwhile, I'm making some money from ICP.
Oh, you're still
Yeah.
in profit there.
Yeah.
You got a grand in the trade. Nice.
Oh, let me check 20 minutes if I can see some money income in. So all charts are on 20 minutes now. If I click here, 1 hour, so all charts goes to 1 hour. If I click here on 1 minute, all charts goes to 1 minute.
Sorry, how do you do that?
That's a setting that I can do here. Just if you look at this here, then you can click on interval and then goes back. Then when you click on any time frame, it changes back to all these charts the same.
Yeah, because sometimes you're comparing two charts and then you switch one to a different time frame and then you completely forget and it messes things up.
Yeah.
Very good.
But the good thing is, when I draw something on BTC and I click on like if I draw something on 1 hour, and I can see all the alts, where are they going and how much they will drop. So if BTC drop like 4%, they drop 7 to 8%. So I trade alts and make more, but that's also make them more risky because they are falling more sharply than BTC.
Yeah, you can make a lot of money on them and you can lose a lot as well.
Yeah. So
Like
it's
FTM
forming
earlier, I mean, that was
yeah. This I can see something like whenever the momentum is formed, printing these dots, that means you know, it will hold that certain level. Like it goes up to like 42, 7, 800, 600, or maybe 800, and then drop. And because it forms the bull trap, when we see these dots, that means the reversal is coming. These dots mean something.
It means that it's testing support or it's found support.
Yeah, that means it's a testing some important support. So if we look at this back to, you know, this like the descending triangle, so we can see the price can test like 3-4 times. So look at this. So let me see the real example. Let me give you the real example with the real candles. Like here, see how many times it tested before going down. See how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times, and the fifth time it goes down. And here it tested 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth time it goes down.
I mean,
So
if it touches enough times, it's filling orders every single time it touches. So the buy orders that push the price up, it's taking them, and eventually it just wears out the number of orders, and eventually just falls through, doesn't it?
Yes. So at least I can see the 3 touches down and 3 touches to the top before I see some sort of breakout to the up or downside. So fact of the matter is we need to wait for the breakout from this triangle. So let me remove all these drawings and form a new pattern on my own. So clear pattern with the real candles, which everybody can see. I want people to see the clear screen. So I'm going to draw a simple pattern on my own right here. And right here at the bottom. So I will not be shocked if it rejects from here and goes back up, and reject from here and goes back down. And if it in that time if it break down or goes back up and break upside. So here we can catch the solid breakout if it not break from here. So we'll have some sort of time. Maybe this is accumulation. People are becoming fearful at each red candle on daily. This, if you check the daily chart, this is nothing but just a red candle on one day. Like today is a bearish day here. It's just a red candle. And people are here even in our group there is a guy, his name is Timothy Non. He was talking about it's going back to 30K just
Oh,
because of
Timothy,
this red.
that dude is crazy, man.
Yeah, just because of this
He's
red
really
candle,
mental.
he said he's going back to 30K. So that's where this red candle means nothing for now. So this triangle, this descending triangle must break first. If it could break upside as well. So why should we scream like a bear? Okay, so see you guys. Bye.
Thanks a lot.
See
Take
ya,
care.
bro.
Hey,
Bye-bye.